Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. We bring you bold, unfiltered updates on the internal and external forces confronting our people, exposing the oppression and injustice within the so-called Zoological Republic of Nigeria. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise. Say. The image provided emphasizes a compelling letter urging the international community to intervene and demand the release of Nnamdi Kanu, a significant figure in the campaign for Biafran independence. Here's a summary of the key points. Context: Nnamdi Kanu has been detained by the Nigerian government since 2021 for advocating Biafran independence, a movement that has historical ties to the tragic Biafran War 1967–1970, which resulted in over 1 million deaths. Legal concerns: the UN Working Group on Arbitrary Detention characterized his detention as arbitrary in 2022, pointing to violations of his rights under the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights (ICCPR). This includes concerns about free expression and the right to a fair trial. Call to action: the letter urges entities like the UN and EU to leverage diplomatic channels to compel Nigeria to respect international law. It cites previous instances where global pressure successfully persuaded states like Belarus to release political prisoners. Potential outcomes: the appeal suggests that if Nigeria's human rights violations continue to be scrutinized, there might be leverage for global sanctions or mediation that could lead to Kanu's release. This highlights significant human rights issues surrounding Kanu's detention and reflects broader concerns about the Nigerian government's adherence to international norms. That's it for today's broadcast from Biafra Battle Cry TV, where truth is our weapon and freedom is our mission. We remain unwavering in our loyalty to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the liberation of our people. The struggle continues, and so does our voice. Share this message, subscribe, and spread the fire, because every voice counts in the fight for justice. Until next time, stay bold, stay vigilant, and stay Biafran. Biafra lives. Biafra rises. Biafra is our destiny.